Yo, so first things first, let's get straight into it. Just a bit of an update. So, tightened my chain and all that, but kept the same size sprocket on it. Changed my brake drum to one that's not cracked and everything. Mad. Woohoo! And I have actually got the sensor in the bike. If you can focus on that. Basically, I kind of put a few threads in the top using a 10mm thread to get this in and started. It's a 9mm thread, and then just forced in the rest of the way until the sensor actually snapped off. So I've just coated the whole thing in Gorilla Glue, and I'm hoping for the best. I'm never going to be able to get it out again properly though without proper tools. Yeah, it's tight as fuck going all the way in. It's in by about 1.5 cm, so it is in, nice. But then it just snapped. Funny though, isn't it? But I've turned the key on the YBR. I have turned the key, and it seems like it is working because it runs like that. But this spastic don't like it. Do ya? You fucking knob cheese. Do ya? Do ya? Yeah, he's a good little boy, really, ain't you, Vernon? You're a good little boy, really, aren't you? You're a good little boy, ain't you? You little knobhead. So there's that. That's been done. And then, for fuck's sake, why have I got a Piaggio Liberty 125 in my shed? Now basically this thing is Sam's ped. He wants to do some work on it, but his dad keeps complaining because it looks like a shit heap. You know, runs and rides and all that. Just sounds fucking sick, and back when it was running properly, this thing was a flying machine, you know? This thing used to fucking wing it down the road. Quicker than that YBR acceleration, but I was dicking on top speed. Yeah. Also, my front mudguard's missing. Someone snapped that off. Bunch of fucking cunts around these days. I don't even care, people are knobheads. My rear rail plate's falling off as well. Vern's falling off the world, yeah. So yeah, I haven't really done much with these engines, to be honest, apart from the fact that I found the piston rings for that cylinder, so I feel that effort and struggle for no fucking reason. I could have literally just put that bore kit on it and it would have been fine. So that's a whole cylinder head and everything wasted, but yeah, I've got the piston rings. Now, the main point of this video today is the sensor's in, so that's making more power now. Well, I haven't tried it, but it will be. I know it will. It's actually run properly. But the main thing is if we look in this frying pan, done. 3, 2, 1, bah! If you know, then you know. No, I'm joking. Today, in this video, we are doing a clutch on the YBR. Aren't we, Vern? Get a fucking ball out of my shed, you cunt! Well, I fucking told you before! Well, got a fan at the door trying to blow cold air in. Don't really work though. Yeah, genuine EBC clutch. So yeah, turn the music down a bit so you can actually hear what I'm saying. Brand new clutch gasket in there, so she's getting a new gasket, new clutch. Yeah. Alright. So the hardest part about doing a clutch on a YBR is right on your foot peg here, right here. Oh no, this is gonna be a cunt. Oh fucking hell. On your foot peg here is this little knob, right, and it gets stuck on that, but I've just realised, because I've put a kickstart shaft on there now, you can't just slide it straight off. Oh my god. I'm trying to figure something out. Oh no, this is gonna be a cunt to get off. Oh no, I hope you can feel the pain in my voice. Oh, I'm gonna have to remove the foot pegs, but I don't even know how. I'm gonna have to remove the fucking foot pegs to take the clutch out. Let's try and have a look. What are you doing? Why are you so intrusive? What are you getting up in my face for? What are you doing? Yeah, I'm actually having to lean back because he's fucking just up in my grill. Yeah. That's it. You got a kiss now. Fuck off. Oh my god. Yeah, we'll have to try and take the foot pegs off and then we'll go from there. Right, so I've moved the fucking foot pegs off. We've drained all the oil. So these are all loose as shit. Oh, there you go. Completely off now. Spark plug. No, spark plug, what the fuck am I on about? Yeah, you know, oil filler cap and the dipstick that's in the seat. Good way to keep it in it, ain't gonna lose it then. Foot pegs just fell out as you saw. Fucking all the old oil was in that jug. Blacker than shit, had big old bits in it, but you know, it's just banter in it really. If it blows up, it blows up. Alright, so I'm doing the clutch on this YBR, right? It's just pissed oil all over my mum's fucking concrete floor, and there was loads of, I thought like the gasket was still left in there. No, it's just loads of shit from the engine. Look at this on my finger. That was inside my engine. And that's literally just a little scrape from my finger. I mean, that's the first scrape I took out. What the fuck? You know, like literally, you put my finger in there again. It's just like, ugh. Poor fucking bike. Look, I want to take the oil filter out, see what's stuck to the oil filter. But I don't have any proper tools, so I'm just gonna use a pair of pliers. Well, wire strippers. You know what I mean? Can't get the right angle on it really though. I can't really get anything on there because it's too oily to just fucking pull out. Oh no, it's not. Fucking hell! You can't even see through the oil. Oh, fucking hell! No wonder my engine's been overheated. I ain't been getting any oil. Fuck me! Jesus Christ! Look, I just swapped my finger again. Look at all that. Huh. Although, to be fair, I have installed 2 150 kits and not changed the oil. Well, I've changed the oil, but I haven't done filters or anything like that, you know. So I had 2 150 kits worth of wear because they do produce a lot of shards and all that for the first like few miles, don't they? But still, fuck me. I was just gonna put a new oil filter in it from one of my donor engines. Those ones are clean as fuck. This thing is clapped, mush. Look at that. Alright, so I've got all the clutch out and all the springs on the floor. Pissed oil everywhere, blah blah blah. Put new oil filter in, as I just said. Alright. I'm just turning the music off because man's got that copyright thing. Right. So there's my new clutch plates that all hanging off because I want to keep the fresh oil. There's my old clutch plates. Let me just show you the fucking difference in colour and all that. Mine are burnt to fuck. And then I've cleaned off one of the inner plates, like one of the metal plates, and look at the fucking difference in them. You can see how heated mine got, you know. Shiny silver, blue, bronze, every colour under the sun. So I've got to clean up the other two, well, yeah, these two now. Clean up them two, make them like that, and then I can install my new clutch. Mad ting. I finished installing the clutch. See the new gasket right in there. Took it for a test ride. And I fucking stacked it. Ooh. That is funny, isn't it? Look at that.